Welcome ladies and gentlemen to the Full Gospel Assembly tutorial video on how to subscribe to our YouTube channel right online. Thank you for joining with us today. If you have not downloaded the YouTube app, you can go to your Apple Store on your App Store, or you can go to your Android phone, the Play Store, and download it right now. Link will be in the description. But also do remember that once you already have the YouTube app, all you need to do is just look at this icon, the YouTube. Yes, right there, and all you need to do is just on it, press it and on it, and it will straight away take you to the front page. Now the front page will look like this for Android phones. Not to mention, this is what it will look like. So all you need to do is just go up to the top, the corner button, where there will be a search icon. So you just press that, and then you can type in whatever you like. But if you are going to subscribe to our YouTube channel, just type in Full Gospel Assembly Ipoh. Can be either big letters or small letters, and then once you've already typed in like this, then you just press the search button and it will load up and it will take you right there. See on the top right there, the Full Gospel Assembly Ipoh YouTube page. There is our YouTube channel. So you just press it, and then once it starts loading, this will be our front page of our YouTube channel. So this is what it will look like. So for those who have not subscribed, you see that there is practically a subscribe button right there on the top right. If you have not any clue of what it looks like, see, it will look like this. See, I'm zooming in right now. The subscribe button will look like there. There we go. So just press the subscribe button and you're already subscribed to our YouTube channel. See, the subscription added will be right down there. It will tell you that you've already subscribed to our channel, and you can already start watching our videos, and you can be notified by our brand new videos weekly on our live streaming, and you will already be in tune to our YouTube channel, so that whatever we send, you will be notified weekly, or maybe even we will send you a link, but most likely you will be notified every weekly once we upload it. And then if you'd like to go to our playlist, you can go and check our other videos in the playlist. Just go to the playlist and you can see the different types of playlists we have. We have sermons, ministries, full gospel, assembly presentations, and other sermons. So this is what our YouTube channel will look like, and we thank you for tuning into this video. And that is practically it for our YouTube channel. So thank you, and hope you practice this, and we'll hope to see you on Sunday. And if you're not, you can go tune into our live streaming. Thank you. God bless.